Hey guys, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to give you a flip through of my journal, my daily journal, which is the Hobonichi A6 Techo in the English planner version. I've been in it for a week now, so I was just going to show you what I've done this week. You've probably seen it scattered throughout my other videos. And then my plan is to switch out the things that I carry in my Hobonichi every week, or in my Delfonics pouch every week. So I'm going to put some new stuff in there too. So this is my Hobonichi and I absolutely love it. If I seem like I'm whispering, it's because I'm watching a friend's little girl and she's taking a nap upstairs on our family room floor. She fell asleep watching Sing, and my husband is up there on the couch and he fell asleep watching Sing too. So they're both up there sleeping. It's his day off today. And I just thought I would film this really quick before I have to run off to work. So I don't want to wake up any of the sleeping beauties. So this is my Hobonichi journal. And I showed you just quickly that in this beginning yearly index, I'm writing a monthly highlight in each of the months. So I already did December 2018. In the monthly views, I am just collaging, Sprocket photos and stickers and all that stuff. Just to have a snapshot of each month of a highlight or a moment, pictures of my kids, so that when my whole journal is done, I'll have, all these months where I can see them grow and how they changed and everything. So, okay, now this is the beginning of January. I haven't done anything in this turning the page to a new year yet. Haven't decided what I want to do there. Maybe some kind of cool collage or something. But you guys saw there was other videos where I prepared my January pages. I slopped down some watercolor and that is truly the definition of what I do. I slop it down. There is no rhyme, no reason. I just pick colors and go to town. And then I used stickers from this set, this Journal Studio crepe paper sticker set. That's what a lot of these stickers are. And then a lot of the other stickers you see in here are ones that I ordered from Simple Heart, which is a store on the internet. She's based in Malaysia. So these are like Korean, Japanese, kind of Asian stickers. And these cat ones are from Amazon, actually, which was fun because I didn't have to wait a long time for shipping. And then these ones were from I think it was a Heidi swap thing that came with a bunch of letters, and I got it at Tuesday morning, and it came with a bunch of stuff. Let's see. So it came with a bunch of these like label stickers and then a bunch of these number and things. And it was Heidi Swap Storyline Journaling Sticker Kit. That's what that was. And it was only a few bucks because it was at Tuesday morning. So I got that a long time ago. So you guys have probably seen those a lot, but that's what those little words and stuff, that's what that's from. So this was the first. I'll just kind of flip through. I've been having so much fun with these little stickers. These little, this was the Happy Life kit, I think is what it's called on Simple Heart. And then these cute little cat ones are just so adorable. The beginning of every month I put washi tape on the edge of each month. I kind of like how it looks when I flip through my journal, but that's why that's there. This was Wednesday. Just more stickers, and I used my Posca paint pens and this stencil that I got at Michael's. A bunch. I used this stencil a lot this week, which has the letters for each week and the numbers, and then just these different designs. I just made a bunch of designs on there, so I've been using the heck out of that. My Maste washi tape I've talked about till I could die. My Mildliners, stamps. I did some stamping. These stamps, the boy and the girl, are from Waffle Flower. And they are probably some of my favorite stamps. Yes, Waffle Flower. And this is my other set of Waffle Flower stamps that I cannot wait to use. You probably can't see them because of the glare. Look at the cat. Look at this cat trying to fit in a box. But the cats have like flowers on them. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. This kit is called Flora Cat. They have a bunch of the different Flora versions of Flora doing something. So I liked the sayings that they had too. You gotta try, oh bummer, miss ya, take care, love. I'll use the heck out of those. Those are from scrapbook.com. And I made a little tip-in on this page using some washi and one of the sheets that came with my, that came on those Japanese stickers. I just cut it apart. Here's the other piece. It was like the cardstock that came with the stickers, and I just thought it was cute. So I cut it apart and I made a tip-in. That was just a sticker that came with this little folder and this stamp, or this stencil, I mean. And then more, these are Hong and Ding stickers from Simple Heart. Hong and Ding are like a bunny and like a bird. And they just make me laugh super hard, and I love them. So this was, I saw you guys watched me journal about this, and this was my parents' 44th wedding anniversary, so I used my Sprocket. I used more pictures from the crepe paper. This one, I drew this picture of my son's Pinewood Derby car that him and my husband have been building. I'm not an artist, but one thing I did want to do in my journal this year was to practice doodling and drawing more. So that's a picture of his car, and I just wrote a little bit, and I used my stencil to write 55 degrees because it was super warm here for winter. That Hello Weekend is from the Heidi Swap one. I used my paint pen, more stickers. This was from Sunday. I doodled the little donut and the coffee cup. If you saw any of my Create December journaling from earlier in the month in December, I kind of got on this like kawaii image, like little drawing kick, and I was drawing so many of these cute little things, and I was obsessed. I loved them so much. And so I drew a donut and a little cup of coffee because on Sundays we go get groceries, and my husband brought home donuts from the grocery store, him and my daughter, and then we were drinking coffee, and we play Mellow Folk on Alexa. My daughter goes, "Alexa, please play soothing music," and then it goes, "Okay, playing Mellow Folk," and that's the channel that we listen to on Sunday morning. I don't know. I just like it. It's just
for soothing music.
Oh,
Mellow Folk
there,
on Amazon Music.
There she goes. Alexa, off. I swear, you can't escape her. So I was just, that's how I like to do things. I just put, little bits and pieces of the day and memories. And my daughter, I don't know if you saw her sticker hand, rubber gloved hand in the frame the other day. Well, so after she took those rubber gloves, she went and she filled them up with water. She got another one. So that they were like water balloons, rubber glove water balloons. And then she drew a face on them with eyelashes and a little headband. And then she dressed them in doll clothes. So the girl's name was Daffodil. Couldn't make this up if I tried. So she made little beds in their bathroom out of the hand towels. Michael made some bread, so he loves to, we got super into watching the Great British Baking Show or whatever, and so I got him the Paul Hollywood baking book for Christmas, and he's been baking like a fool. And tell me how hard it is when you are trying to do keto to have your husband making pretzels. And sourdough loaves, and on Sunday he made cheddar bacon loaves. Oh my God, you guys, it's like torture.
I just sniff the bread. I'm like a junkie. I can't.
I just smell the bread and I love it. But someday the bread will be back in my life. And then Monday, I used a sticker from the Heidi Swap, washi tape, my stencil. I drew a coffee cup because I went and had coffee with my mom and dad. I'm actually really proud of these little daisies that I drew. I drew them with a ballpoint pen and then used my Mildliner to color the stems. And then I used my white pen to make little white highlights on the daisy leaves, because I had a daisy planning meeting. I help lead my daughter's daisy troop for Girl Scouts. And then my husband he is the den leader for my son's Boy Scouts, the Wolf Pack, or whatever it's called. And so they had a meeting on Monday night, and his stories are so funny. He's like, it's like a herd of cats. I mean, can you imagine like 17, 8-year-old boys? You can't. A, you can't. B, you don't want to if you can. So I used all these little tiny cats, and I just love them because I put them everywhere. It's the herd of cats. You just can't contain them. But they have fun. And then Tuesday, which is today, I actually wrote a quote because we didn't have a whole lot going on today besides watching Cora. I used one of my little Happy Life stickers. Oh, she's so cute. I mean, you guys, I can't. I've showed these stickers 1,000 times, but I just think she's so cute. This moth is not my favorite, but it's from this journal studio. I mean, it's pretty, but I just don't like that type of bug. And then the quote that I wrote is, growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. You've never been this version of you. So give yourself a little grace and breathe through it. That's the quote I found on Pinterest. I just really liked it. And I put a little Hong and Ding sticker in here. He looks like he's kind of contemplating life. He's just looking up at the sky. Breathe through it, Hong or Ding. I don't know which one you are. I wrote work and then like a crazy, like pissed off cat because I just feel like that so much at work. I adore my job. And then this is Wednesday. Yesterday I prepared some of the boxes because when I just get to where I want to keep doing stuff, and these pages are pretty small, which has been a good thing and a bad thing. I mean, it hasn't really been a bad thing yet, but you know, I love to do art and doodle and stuff. So like I wanted to keep going, but it's like I was done with my page for that day. So I kind of set up, you know, places to write today. I just made little boxes with my Posca paint pens in different shapes. And then I used some of the stickers from the folder that came with the folder, these little like silly stickers, and put like little tabs on the little boxes and then numbered them. And then I made a little tip-in out of my Maste washi or Maste packaging from the washi tape that I used to do these numbers on each of my pages. Just as something fun. I love doing stuff like that because it just makes you want to dive in and like look through everything and you know, pull out things from different places. That's kind of how my journaling is, and I was hoping that in the Hobonichi I would be able to continue doing it like that. And I am so far. I don't think I'll be able to do it like every day or it'll get super thick, which, you know, I'm not opposed to either. So I'll fill this out and write what we did today. But I wrote this, look at this Hong and Ding sticker. He's flashing. He's it's like he opened his trench coat and he flashed you. So I put that underneath the little flap and I just wrote, enjoy the moment. So I'll fill that out. So that's my first week in my Hobonichi, and I'm dying over it. I love it so much. I'm just gonna change out some of the things. I've had my Glitzy palette in here, so I'm gonna put my Brights palette in so I can start using that more. I did put in some new Poscas because I had these in before. And, oh, that was my stomach. Did you hear that? So I put these colors in already. I have this black Pigma Micron, and I added another color Pigma Micron that I did that quote with. I really like that. Maybe I'll add a navy one too. Really like that. And then, should we switch out some of the washi tape? I've had this washi tape in there this week. So let's switch out the color. This was the set that I've been in love with, so maybe we'll put these 3 colors in. I just love the colors and the patterns. I won't always use this washi tape, but right now I'm going through a thing with it. I love it. Just put it back in the package. There we go. And then I was thinking about maybe changing out some of the stickers that I have, or adding a different one. So maybe I'll take out Hong and Ding, and I'll put in, these are my Totoro sticker flakes, and I had them stuck in here and I forgot about them. Oh, see, that's what they are. I forgot about them, so I'll stick those in there so I don't forget about them. This is just so that, because I do use my Delfonics, I carry it up and I do a lot of my journaling in the kitchen. So this, changing out the stuff in it will ensure that I don't have the same things day after day in my journal. See, and this is what came with my Hong and Ding stickers, and I'll make this into a tip-in too. So I'll stick that in there because I could probably use that this week for a tip-in. I'll keep my little cat ones in there. I'll keep these in there. I'm trying to go through them. Maybe I'll just keep one sheet. And then I'll stick in maybe some of these stickers. Maybe some of these words. I wonder if I could tear this page out. Ah, perfect. Oops. So this is how I'm planning on keeping it fresh. I wonder if I can fold these in the middle. Oh yeah, baby. So I'm going to stick those in there. And then that'll be the things that I can use for journaling this coming week to add a little spice and flavor. So I'm going to come at you in the next couple of days with another journal with me. I just have to work today and tomorrow, so I've been busy. Couldn't do it. So I hope you enjoyed looking at my first week in my Hobonichi journal. I'm loving it, guys. I'm having a ball. So I hope it continues, and I hope you guys keep coming back. Thank you so much to all the people that have been subscribing and leaving me such sweet comments. It just stuns me, like, that you strangers are so flippin' nice. They just, I mean, I'm a nice stranger when I see people, but you know, you just get this jaded view of people on the internet and think that they're all super rude. But they're not. Like, you guys have been so sweet to me, and you have no idea how much I appreciate it and how much fun I'm having with this channel. And you guys just add to it. Like, I would do it anyway, like, even if it was still just my mom watching, just because I love this. But just knowing that I have friends that are watching that love this kind of stuff, I consider you my friends. Makes me so happy on so many levels. So I hope you guys are having a great week and that you're getting in some journaling. Tell me how you're doing it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.